Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to enable the on-off button labels on your Apple Watch. Do you want to make your Apple Watch more accessible? No worries. Enabling the on-off button labels as clear indicators for toggles, making it easier to see whether a setting is enabled or disabled. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the Watch app on your connected iPhone. And then you have to ensure that the My Watch tab is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down and select the accessibility option. And then you have to find the button labels toggle and then you have to enable it. And that's about it. Now your Apple Watch will display the on-off indicators for switches, improving visibility. It's worth pointing out that you can also enable this accessibility feature from the Settings app right from your Apple Watch as well. And that's about it. Now that you have unlocked this important feature, make the most of it to enhance the visibility on your Apple Watch. And I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy watchOS tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.